Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson. One more bedroom set for you. And more because it's not the first one I'm showing. If you are here for the first time and you're looking at our video for the first time, we have more than 700 videos on YouTube where we have shown bedroom sets, dining sets, sofa sets, wardrobes, swings, partition screens, wood temples. There is so much stuff we have made and delivered across the globe, not just India, across the globe in different colors, in walnut, in teak finish, in dark colors, in paint colors, white, gold, off-white, and silver, copper, so many colors. And another one I'm showing you here. This color is one of the most liked colors in Middle Eastern part. And if you go to Dubai or any Middle Eastern countries, you will mostly find these kind of colors there. Lighter color in the middle and with gold leafing or gilding, as you may call it. The bed is regular king size, 6 by 6.5 feet mattress area. The mattress size defines the size of the bed. Either it's a king size, a queen size, or a super king size is actually the mattress area that we talk about. The rest of the designs almost remains the same, bigger or smaller. The design part is accordingly adjusted. If you look at the back height of this unit, you will see the grand look that we love in our master bedroom. And this is what we mostly work on. We make Maharaja furniture, royal furniture, premium furniture, and the one I'm showing you is in the ultra luxury section. These requires a lot of hard work. The kind of carving you are looking at is the work of master artisans. Regular artisan, carpenters, or the people who sell plain furniture cannot even think of making these kind of units. And the work you're looking at is done after years and years of experience in this field. And Arson has been the top company in hand carved furniture across the globe. To reach this stage where people are trusting us, blessing us with their orders from everywhere, not just India, but out of India also, we have done a lot of work already, and that is visible in the testimonial section of our website, where hundreds and hundreds of actual, real pictures are there from the client's place that justifies a testimony to the fact that we have done all that work and delivered safely to the client's place. Along with the bedroom, we have a dressing unit and two chairs along with a center table. I'll move on to the dressing table now. Also in this bed, we have two side tables, and they are again huge, big size side tables as required by the client. Every size of the unit, every design and color is as per the selection of the client himself. And let's see the dressing unit. Again, a big size, 7 feet unit, and the overall design, as you see, nicely carved. And on top of it, the gold leafing, the gilding work is the highlight that provides a different look to the unit altogether. The design work, the artwork, the artisan work that you see here is what we do and what we are master at. And that you can see in the work we have shown on the website, arsonwoods.com, in YouTube videos, on Instagram, on Pinterest, on several social media platforms. Our work is quite visible. Moving on to the bedroom chair set here, we have a double carved chair. The carving you see on the front, similarly, we have got carving at the back as well. And this double carving gives the set a different look, because if the back is open and the back is visible, then this gives a beautiful look to the unit. And the interesting part is this double carving cannot be done by any machine. This is handwork, and that's why it has been possible. And if you have seen our portfolio, our designs earlier, you will find a number of sets in sofa sets, in dining chairs, in other units with double carving concept. The two chairs along with the center table, that's a coffee table set. And the entire set that you're looking at is made in teak wood, and the nice color choice of the client makes it an amazing unit that you are looking at. Friends, it's not easy to get something like this done. It requires a lot of hard work and most of all, the knowledge about the product, because the design, the symmetry, and everything that goes in sync, that is the most important part to get you something like this. And the best part about this one is customization. When you go to a nearest showroom, you find several sets there, sofa set or any item you're looking at, and mostly they have standard patterns. So if you buy something, they'll replace it with the same item the next day. But here at Arson, we make what you like, what you want, and we don't provide anything from our side. So the colors, the sizes, the fabrics, everything that you have chosen. If you like our work, I request you to share it with other people and let them know something like this is getting done here in India and the world is taking it. The world is accepting it, appreciating it, and the local art of India is getting recognized everywhere. If you like it, please let us know. If you have any feedbacks, any comments, any suggestions, we are open to that. The number is right here. You can contact us with your requirement. We can discuss about the pricing also. Hope you like our work. Thank you. Dhanyavad.